Welcome to this TimeStudio tutorial where I will demonstrate how to create a new plugin from scratch. So let's start with opening MATLAB and start TimeStudio. Once I start TimeStudio, a new object is created in the workspace called TS, the TimeStudio object. So let's add some data to that object. And this is eye tracking data, so we use the eye tracking plugin to read the data into the memory. So if I go to the command window, I can have a look at the object. We have 4 subjects, and if we look into one of the subjects, we see that it has a name, it has a data file, gender, group, birth, and we have a structure with the eye tracking data. And the eye tracking structure contains all the data that we can play around with. So the custom plugin that I will create today will just plot the x coordinates over time. And to create a new plugin, we use the plugin menu and create a plugin. You have to specify the type of plugin this is, and this is custom stuff, and the name could be plot x coordinates, like that. When I click OK, TimeStudio automatically opens up the MATLAB editor and the new plugin, custom stuff, plot x coordinates. And if I click on the background to see all my plugins that I have available, I can see that the custom stuff plugin is here. And when I open it, I get the default plugin window. So this window is created here. It has a width of 600 pixels and a height of 300. This top row is automatically created by TimeStudio so that your users can change the settings here and save them as new settings. But now let's change this to what we actually want to have. So to start with, it's very good practice to write a help for new users. This plugin will plot the x coordinates. We don't need any user interface for this one, so we can just remove all of the code stub. So to plot the x coordinates for all subjects, well, to start with, we need a figure, and we can plot, we can loop through the subjects and just plot the data. So if you remember, the data was in TS all subjects, eye tracking, the variable x. Now, if I use this custom stuff, I removed all of the user interfaces, and I can plot the x coordinates. So that's how you create a new plugin in TimeStudio.